All right, this is a simple and fast review of the LiCB A23 or 23A 12V batteries. This is a 5-pack, so I'll just show you what they look like. It comes in a simple, easy to cut individually off, and just pop through the back. All the warnings are in there. Again, this is a smaller battery. Specifically, I use these for a fireplace remote. So a lot of times they'll be used in like keychain, alarm buttons and stuff like that. But whatever your use is, again, it's a simple 5-pack. It's a great value solution, and again, for usability standards purposes, I just cut the last one off with the dotted line that you can probably see, the little serrated edge. You can bend it and tear if you need to, and you can hear it click. They do a nice job, and again, they're valuable, they last long, and hopefully this review helps you.